By the seventh day, God had finished his work. On the seventh day, he rested from all his work. God blessed the seventh day. He made it a holy day because on that day he rested from his work. So napansin ko lang dito kahit si God took time to rest, one day out of the week. If I will to relate this in today's time, we live in an action-oriented world. There always seems to be something to do and no time to rest. If God rested from his work, we should not be surprised that we also need rest. This way, we can maximize the other 6 days to make sure we finish the work that we need to do. Ibigay na natin yung isang araw sa pahinga and kay God na siya din namang nagbigay ng lahat. And if we hold on too tight to something, hindi natin namamalayan na baka ito na pala ang nagiging Diyos natin. Hindi na natin naatin yung balance. And sometimes, this is where burnout comes in.